Hey everyone, hope you're well. Kind of give you an update on the project I'm working on here. This was for the table. Started cutting the wood. Just give you a quick rundown. Sorry, I'm a bit muffled here, but I have a mask on. So again, using poplar wood for the table. I think I got enough to make it 18 inches across when it's all said and done. As you can see, I'm cutting right now, almost finished. I think I have 4 or 5 more pieces yet. So this is my idea. What I'm going to do for the notching at the end is I will interlock them like this and stagger them. If you get what I'm saying here. And it'll be nailed and glued. But eventually, if I do this all the way around, when all is said and done, the effect that you're going to get is kind of similar to the bench I did in one of my earlier videos. Sorry about the background noise here, guys. And basically what I'll do is I'll chop this right off, make it level. So when we flip it over, you're going to see the notching at the end of the table. I think it'll just add some character to it rather than just flat horizontal lines right across the board. But I'll update you when I'm finished, and it shouldn't take much longer here. I'm just gonna nail gun them together and tons of glue, just like last time. Then got the clamps waiting over there. All right, I'll update you guys when I'm done. See you later. So everyone, welcome back. Kind of in the final stages of prepping this. As you can see, what you're looking at right now, it's upside down. I'm going to actually do the leg a little bit off center rather than putting it in the middle and then adjoining it to the wall. I've tried a few different ways, right? Putting the leg in the middle, putting the leg at the side. I don't know, I think the off-centered kind of gives it a different kind of look. Yeah, I mean, worst case scenario, I can always change it later. Just 4 simple screws in the bottom here, and I will show you how I will anchor it to the wall. I'm using a series of concrete screws with some L brackets, and I just have a little stool here for basically just measuring the distance between, how much distance I'm going to need between the kitchen and the table, and then from the table to the couch. Obviously going to move that side table at one point, and I still probably have about a foot if I need some extra room to push the couch. It is a pretty large couch. I'm looking at almost 9 feet in length, maybe 8.5. So yeah, I'll give you an update when I have it right side up, and I'll show you how I'm going to attach it with the L bracket. Thanks so much. Hey everyone, welcome back. Kind of skipped a few steps without you, but I'll just bring you up to speed. So right now we currently have this table mounted, as you can see right in front of you. So I basically anchored it to the wall. I used some concrete plugs that I will show you. 1 second here. So if you see here, I'm going to show you in this bag. Too lazy to take it out, but this is the concrete plug. Obviously I had to drill pretty deep, and in that plug I used what you're going to see, this gold one in that plug, and that is basically what is holding it tight against the wall. I've tested it out, put a fair amount of weight on it. It seems pretty sturdy, and kind of liked how it turned out. Pretty impressed. I offset the leg, obviously, as you can see, not for any reason other than aesthetics. I tried putting it in the middle, and it just maybe looked a bit too barish. I don't know how I want to word that, but yeah, it just didn't look right. I off-centered it, and I think it looks pretty good. So I'm not completely done with this project here. I still plan on implementing some stuff throughout the wall. This is just going to be a poor example of what I'm doing here, but I'm going to get some brown. I'm going to obviously stain these sticks, and this isn't even a stick I'll be using. But I'm going to do a pattern up the wall, and it's just going to give, I feel it's going to give some separation between the living room and the kitchen. And whether it does that, I guess we'll see. And I plan to actually hang a light coming down from there to give some direct lighting, and maybe even a green wall when this is all said and done. So some low maintenance plants on that wall. There's enough light in here that I think they'll do pretty well. So when I'm all said and done, I'll update you on that. But Thanks so much for this journey. I know I really didn't include too much information on this project. Like I said, I got the steel leg made and I posted that link in the description on one of my previous videos. And this is pretty much poplar, kind of like I did my bench, but this is stained. It came out okay. I mean, you can see some streaks, but I mean, I tried to do this the best I can. If you look close enough, or maybe even if you don't, you're gonna see some. That's basically from what you see there is from the belt sander. But no matter how gentle I went over it plenty of times, I mean, that's really the best I can get. And you know what? I'm okay with it. So I'm content in my life. So anyways, thanks for the journey. And yeah, we'll talk soon. Take care.